Alright, I gotta find a power adapter. Okay. Where is it? What's that?
Should I say hi to the internet?
Yes.
Hello, internet.
I gotta find the power adapter.
Do you want me to help you look?
Yeah.
There's one over there.
Hold on. Yes. Yeah. Of the webcam?
It'll be like they're getting pictures taken at the wedding.
Okay, this is the one that they used for the ceremony. This is the one that was broadcasting for the screen.
Hello, who's ever watching?
Just a reminder that bride and groom would like to have you.
There we go.
Okay. Hey, can you find me the power adapter for this?
Power adapter?
Yeah.
Probably by the table. Let's see what I can do.
Okay.
Is it dying?
Oh well, no. He told me to set it up for now. But well, not the laptop. That'd be a bit heavy. So I'm thinking. No, the actual plug. That's what I'm looking for. Drop the Alright, watch out, huh?
Pardon me.
Put it here for now. Huh? There was 9 on earlier.
Does it say?
Up top.
Oh, there's 7 of you.
Right there.
Hey, 7 of you.
Alright, reach.
Oh, man.
Are we looking for the power? It goes right there.
This side?
Yeah. The thing's right there.
Yeah, we can just slide the table over a bit.
Alright. Does that look like a good spot pointed towards the camera, like camera thing for now?
That's good.
Well, yeah, that's good because you'll see people coming in and out.
Yeah.
And the only issue is
Some technical difficulties here.
so long as nobody kicks it or trips on me, should be good.
Alright. And I was just, alright, let's see here. Whoop. Yeah, like me?
Yep.
Yeah, like you.
Why don't we just pull the table to the wall?
That's a really good idea.
Yeah, do that.
I've got a bag of it.
Okay, you ready? Okay. Yeah, we can.
Or should I say hi to them? Hello, guys.
Center it a bit more, and I think we're laughing.
There we go. Good night. Yep. Get everybody coming in. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go get some. Have anything to say? Should I?
Sure.
Okay.
Why not? That's okay.
All right. Oh yeah. Let's start over here. Okay. Hi. Do you have anything you want to say to the bride and groom?
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Okay. Excuse me. Is there anything you three would like to say to the bride and groom? You got anything? They can cut it. It's okay. All right. Shall I come back? Okay. How's it going, sir? I'll be back up in a minute.
You got one more?
Well, Well, actually, no. I'm asking if you have anything you want to say to them.
Well, let me think about it.
All right.